This is a JavaScript XML file used by React developers. It mixes HTML and JavaScript. You can't run it in a browser directly. It must be transpiled first. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain the build process. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure JSX formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. JSX files are JavaScript source files containing JSX syntax and XML-like extension to JavaScript used primarily with the React framework for defining user interface component structures. They combine JavaScript logic with HTML like markup, enabling developers to describe UI elements declaratively within component functions or classes. JSX files use UTF-8 text encoding containing JavaScript with embedded XML-like element expressions that compile to React.createElement calls via Babel or similar transpilers. The syntax supports component composition, prop, passing, conditional, rendering, list mapping, event, handling, and integration with React hooks and state management. Optimal handling of the JSX format is achieved using React by Meta Platforms, Inc. Metadata editing, crucial for this file, requires a specific application beyond standard Windows viewers. Windows can open script files in text editors, but execution depends on the appropriate scripting engine. The key to fixing this JSX file is finding the right software association. Right-click it and choose Open With. Start with React if available. If not, select another application from the list. If you still can't open the JSX file, it's okay. The source is most likely one of three common issues. Let's review this simple breakdown of the culprits and how to quickly check them. First, setting up your editor. Open JSX Files in Visual Studio Code, which provides built-in JSX syntax highlighting IntelliSense and error detection. Install the ES7 Plus React Redux React Native Snippets extension for code snippets and Prettier for auto-formatting. Configure ESLint with ESLint plugin React for JSX-specific linting rules and best practices. Next, building and running. JSX files require transpilation before browsers can execute them. Set up a React project with npx create React app or Vite and place JSX files in the src directory. Run npm start to launch the development server, which automatically transpiles. JSX compiles ES6 Plus features and provides hot reload for instant preview. Finally, debugging React components. Install React Developer Tools, browser extension to inspect component trees, prop state and hooks in Chrome or Firefox. Use Visual Studio Code's built-in debugger with a launch configuration for Chrome to set breakpoints directly in JSX files and step through component rendering and event handler logic. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.